So just real quick here, I'm going to do some more decoration of classes to make them more, make them better for creation of the database. So you can put things on here. Right now, if I just create these classes are going to be, all of the strings are going to be varchar max, which takes up a lot of memory. It's unnecessary. So I'm going to set the string length on these to 255 for most of them. Let's say 250. I don't know why I said 255. Right, weird. Decorations are, and also I'm going to set some of them to be required. So first name, I'm going to say is not required. I'm going to say that this one is required. So if it's not required, you can make it nullable, and that's what the question mark denotes. So any data type, you can put a question mark after and it makes it nullable. Strings by default are nullable, so they're unnecessary for those. But integers, date times, things like that, you need to make them nullable. So anyway, let's do is a required field. Okay. Same thing with email address. The email itself is required. I had started doing these and decided I wanted to show you. And then the address. This will not be required, but it'll still be string length 250. State and zip, stuff like that are required. Oh, let's say state, we just want to do a 2-digit state abbreviation, and zip code, we want to limit to 10 characters. That gives enough for 08003-1234. City will be 250. And we want the required. Okay, so by doing all of this, we have defined the length of the field in the database and that they are not nullable fields. This will be a nullable field, but we have defined the length. One other thing we can do, and this is the last thing I'll show you here, is we can actually change the name of the column in the database. And I'm going to have to look at my reference real quick for this. For example, I may want to call a column something besides. So like here, I'm going to call it line 1 because it's on the address object, but I want to call it address line 1 in the database, let's say. So I type in column, and then I put in the name. Now, it's red right now because I haven't included a using statement up here that allows you to use the word column. It's the schema. An example. I don't really care that in the database it's got a different name, but that's it. So now we've decorated the classes to the point where they're going to be much better when we go to create the database objects in the database. And we'll do that in the next video.